Il bello del viaggiare è che lungo il cammino si incontrano persone che lo arricchiscono con i loro sorrisi, racconti e dandoti una mano nei momenti più difficili.
Con i giusti compagni di viaggio, colori, panorami ed emozioni vengono amplificati, si esce maggiormente dalla propria comfort zone e si fanno esperienze incredibili.
Spesso in poco tempo si creano dei legami forti e queste persone diventano la nostra famiglia in questo lungo viaggio.
Bentornati sul canale, oggi faremo un video un po' diverso dal solito, infatti vi parleremo di Henrik e Ulrich, questa coppia di austriaci che ormai da più di un mese stiamo viaggiando insieme, abbiamo vissuto delle esperienze fantastiche e oggi vi vogliamo parlare un po' di loro e un po' del loro mezzo.
Hello everybody, my name is Henrik.
I'm Ully.
And we are from Lois Reisen. So we are Austrian couple. We studied in April this year in Austria, going through to Europe, to Turkey, Georgia, Russian, and then to the States. And our dream goal and target is to reach next year Mongolia. Why we call our truck Lois Reisen? This is a story about my grandfather. My grandfather was the absolute biggest idol of my life and the father of Ulrike, and they always supporting us. If we need something, they was always there for us. So, and we need a name, and we want to take them to our travel, to our journey.
Adesso vi parleremo un po' più nello specifico di questo modello di Camion 4x4 e Henrik ci spiegherà un po' le specifiche, l'anno e tutte le informazioni.
We have here our truck is a STEYR, is an old military truck from Austria. So he's made it 1986. So he's an old boy, 37 years old around. We bought it in 2016. Early 2016, when we decide to make our own exhibition truck. We extend a distance of the tire that we can mount a 5-meter cabin. The truck have 180 horsepower and need in 100 kilometers on a flat area 22 liters diesel, or in the mountains around 25 liters. But we have around 700 liters on board, so the range will be around 2,500 kilometers. So we are not scary that we're running out of diesel.
A vederlo da fuori sembra veramente una villa con ruote, infatti è una casa a tutti gli effetti. Adesso vi spiegherà un po' come è stato costruito, quanto tempo ci è voluto e soprattutto quali sono le capacità di acqua, elettricità e tutto quello che serve per vivere in camper.
We have built our cabin with a special material from GFK, with the panel what is coming from the Dutch country, from Holland. So we built this with a friend. He is famous. He knows how you work with this material. We need to build our cabin around 6 years. In the time we was working outside from Austria, so we have only time for 4 weeks per year when we have vacation to build our own house, what we travel now. Cabin is very easy. We have 5 meters by 2.5 meters and 2.1 meters height, so that we have a comfortable height inside. We can stay, so we feel very comfortable inside. Windows is a special window. You can use this until 7,000 appetit meters, it will not break. Okay, we have energy around 400 ampere hours of battery. On the top we have solar panels, what have 1,100 watt, what is charging the battery. So we have no gas inside, we only have electricity power. We're cooking with electricity power, we have an oven, we have fridge. So this was one of our targets, that we have no gas in our cabin. Water, around 500 liter waters on board. We can stay out dark around 3 weeks. There you can shower every day, you can washing. We have a washing machine on board. We're not using water for our toilet. We have a dry toilet.
Henrik ci ha spiegato che si è fatto aiutare dai suoi amici per la progettazione e la costruzione di questa cellula, infatti ci tiene a precisare adesso le ditte e chi l'ha aiutato e l'ha supportato.
Our project was a friendship project, so all my friends helped me to make our dream true. They have his own company. When you see here, this deluxe group, it's Florian. Florian is built this cabin with me together. We glue together, we design together, and also Mr. Neihard or Andreas, he is a long-time friend of me. He support me all the steel construction, and then we make the carpenter. He make the furniture is Erich. Erich is a carpenter. He's a very professional, and the electricity is Carl. Carl is a guy. He's the youngest of my friends, but he make all the electricity. The idea to create the solar panel with the battery, the balance, how it's working, create all the cable lining. So this was a friendship project. In this time I want to say thank you for my friends, they helped me, and you see what we did inside.
Uno degli elementi più importanti per la vita in camper è l'acqua. You can explain your water system?
We can take the water everywhere, and with our filter station we can filter 99.9995% clean drinking water. We have two kinds of filters. We have ceramic filter to fill our tanks, so we can do with the pump. So there is already all natural unclean part in the filter. What we do after, we never take the water out of the tank without filter, so we have a cold filter here, change to a drinking water.
Henrik ha esaudito uno dei miei sogni, che sarebbe portarsi una moto dietro. Infatti qua dietro c'è la regina, the queen. You tell the name of
my princess, my princess, my Beta Alp 4.0. We decided to take a motorbike with us, so of course we are coming from Austria. Officially I must have a KTM, but I don't like KTM, so I like Beta Alp. So we have here our motorbike. It's a 350 Enduro, and yes, we are happy with them. So it's only 140 kilo light, not heavy, light. So for us it is very important about the weight. If you have another one, a 350, it's maybe 200, and this have a huge impact for the truck and also for the diesel consumption.
And how you can put down the motorbike?
This is easy. So there you see we have some belts. Behind there is a winch. So this electrician winch. So we open only the strip, lift it up, pull it down, and then down. We need around 5 minutes and everything is down, and we can go for enjoying the nature.
And you have also one tire with you?
Yes, we have a spare tire with us, but without rim.
Allora, a fianco allo sportello del filtro troviamo un grosso gavone dove all'interno si trovano la centrale elettrica e il boiler. E qual è la chicca che ci manca a noi?
Yes, we have a special guest. We have a washing machine. Here you see we are just now washing with a mini Daewoo washing machine. It's a 3 kg washing machine. It's need around 20 liters for one turn and a little bit of electricity power. So you can wash with 40 degrees, 60 degrees. It's something like at home, but the only difference is between 10 and 3 kilos.
Ma adesso andiamo a vedere gli interni, perché rimarrete veramente stupiti. Venite con noi.
Welcome to our house. We go inside. Welcome to our house in 5 by 2.5 meters. There's our kitchen. Kitchen is around 1.8 meters. There's our stove. The stove is electrical, so we don't using gas. Then we have our oven, hot air, microwave, whatever. Behind you we have our fridge from Italy, fit rifigo. This is our head of the truck. This is our electricity table. You see here, this is our solar panel. There say how many the battery is charged, what we're using, how many watt, and how many charging is going to the battery. Here we have the tanks of our water. We have 2 fresh water, we have a green water, and we have a urine tank. So then we have 2 heaters. We have 4 kilowatt heater. Here we can switch out any devices here that we are not losing our electricity power. This is our dining table. There we have officially 4 people, but we sit already 6 inside. This is a table what we can moving down, then you can use it as an emergency bed. When you want to see, here under the seat is our water tanks, 2 times 250 liters. Under this table here is our heater, and here are the batteries. All here is our equipment inside, kitchen equipment, is our sink, our bed. Oh, this is big, we have a king size bed. No, we have 2 kind of special items when we planned and designed our truck. We want to have a huge bed and we want to have a huge shower cabin. So our bed is 2 meters by 1.6 meters. And this was for us very important. What we also have, our shower room. So we have 80 by 80 centimeters. When you see we have a glass wall, everyone will be scared when they say, the glass, oh my God. No, if you're using a special glass with 8 mm and you glue this one together, then will be hold. So we was driving through the Pamir and it's still there, so no problem. Here inside is our shower cabin, so we have enough space to shower, and this was for us very important. Behind here we have our dry toilet and also our bathroom furniture.
I don't see this. Vabbè, adesso facciamo quello per video.
Okay. This is our fridge. This is our fridge from Italy. You know, my wife will blame me again when I say Italian. It's Italy. Sorry, guys. And this is a compressor fridge. So we have 120 liter cooling area. And then we have 60 liters frozen area. So we can take a lot of food with us. So I guess we can stay months autark without buying anything.
Però adesso gli facciamo 2 domande su come è stata la sua esperienza di guida in Pamir e di viaggio fino ad ora. How was driving in Pamir with this car?
Was very fast, was a big experience to drive the Pamir, especially also with you guys. So I don't know if your YouTube, your followers already knows, we meet them the first time in Samarkand on the place, on the parking area in front of the opera. So, and then we talk each other and then we decide to make the trip together through the Pamir highway, and this starts for more than a month now.
Yeah.
So I don't know, in a couple of days we will get splitted. I don't want to think about, so I love these 2 guys. The performance on the Pamir we was not expecting. These very bad roads. We know that the road is not a black road, but or this gravel road is special between a section in a very, very bad condition. So of course we have a truck what have a suspension. This should be nice, but you feel any valley or something else, stone, you feel everything inside. I cannot say anything bad about our truck, so he did his work very well, so we are very grateful with him. Of course, we have some troubles. You know already. So we have with the diesel problem. So we had to get very bad diesel. Then our battery was dying, and additionally our thermostat of the cooling water. So all the last, I guess, 150 kilometers. So before we reach Osh. But anyway, we were successful. Yes. Pamir, for everyone, when you want to make a road, a good view of a valley, everything, the people, I can tell you rather, ride the Pamir highway.
Grazie a questa nuova amicizia abbiamo potuto vedere anche come si vive su un camion 4x4 e come lo si guida, come abbiamo visto tutti gli aspetti, quindi anche per esperienza personale in futuro avremo più idee per un nostro nuovo veicolo, se mai arriverà e se ci saranno i soldi. Comunque siamo molto grati di averli conosciuti e di aver speso del tempo con loro, è stata una bellissima esperienza e questo tour 4x4 finisce qui, ci vediamo al prossimo video e ciao ciao!